You left Poland and you came to Zimbabwe to do this?
Yes.
What made you choose to come to Zimbabwe?
Because
Welcome to Mr. Zim. It's your boy again. I'm here to show you guys a very interesting development happening here. Come inside. So guys, I am in this apartment. It's located in the avenues of Harare. But just take a look at this building, guys. Just take a look at this apartment. It looks like something in the first world, but this place has actually gotten a renovation, and the gentleman who's doing it is all the way from Poland, and he's doing renovations right here in Zimbabwe. And if you want your apartment to get this kind of renovation, get in touch with me. I will link you to the gentleman. I will show him in the video towards the end, but that's what he's doing, guys. And just take a look at the lighting, take a look at the paints, the doors, everything that's happening in this apartment, guys. So the first room I'm going to show you is the bathroom. Okay, this bathroom has been done up, guys. Just take a look at the shower, take a look at the tiling, take a look at everything that's happening in this bathroom, guys. It's a one-bedroom apartment, and it's in the avenues, but once you step inside, you really feel like you are somewhere overseas. So I think the standard of renovation in this room is really amazing, guys, from the lighting to the tiles, the choice of colors, the floors and everything. But yeah, that's the bathroom, and the next room I'm going to show you is the bedroom. So it's a one-bedroom apartment. This is an Airbnb. As you can see, a very beautiful bedroom here. You can rent, you can come here for the weekend. But why I brought you into this apartment, and the main reason why I'm filming, guys, is because the kind of workmanship being done is something I've never seen before in Zimbabwe. Take a look at these unique designs on the walls, guys. Just the way the walls are done. They're made from concrete. This is not wallpaper at all. It's actually concrete. So you have one design over here, and on the other side of the wall you actually have a different design, guys. And keep in mind that this is not wallpaper. This is actually concrete and paint, and it's been done in a very stylish way, guys. I think there's only one person who is doing it right now in the whole of Zimbabwe, and that's the gentleman I'm going to show you towards the end. So yeah, guys, this is what you have. Just picture your old avenues apartments and picture how they would look if they all get this kind of renovation, because it really feels like you're coming from one world to another as you come in here. Let's go to the lounge. This is your open plan space. The space comes with this very beautiful kitchen that you see over here, and the kitchen actually has this concealed refrigerator. Take a look at that, guys. Just take a look at that. It's concealed. It also comes with this freezer here, which is also very much concealed. I like the sink mixer here. Comes with a basin mixer. Excellent water pressure, guys. This apartment is on the 3rd floor of an apartment, and the water pressure is this good, guys. So you know that you get value for money when you live here. And of course, it comes with a very beautiful microwave. And this area flows seamlessly onto the living area. So you get beautiful leather couches here, big screen TV. But what I like the most is the painting, as well as what they have on the walls here, guys. Just take a look at the contrast in colors. You come from this color here all the way onto this color here, and everything just blends seamlessly. Take a look at the designs on the walls, guys. If you can see the green light that's appearing from the top of this wall, guys, it just gives the room like a hospitable feeling. It feels like a hotel almost. So this one bed Airbnb can actually sleep 4 people, and let me show you how. Pull the couch like this, and you pull this up like that, and you have a double bed, right? When you wake up, put it back in like that, and you slide it back in. It's as easy as that, guys. But guys, what do you think about the design of this room, the design of the ceilings? What do you think about the design of the kitchen cabinets? anything in this design, the lighting, the pictures, guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Is this something that you would want in your own apartment? Like I said, guys, I will show you the person who's doing these renovations. He's all the way from Poland. His name is Czarek. Hi, Czarek.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Yeah, thank you. Good.
Good. You're doing an amazing job here. Just want to ask you one question, man. You left Poland and you came to Zimbabwe to do this.
Yes.
There's a lot of construction in many other African countries. I know that things are happening in Kenya, in Rwanda, in Nigeria. What made you choose to come to Zimbabwe?
Because I work with the guy which is from Zim, and he moved to UK, and we meet together.
Oh, you met there, and he shared with you the business opportunities here in Zimbabwe. Yeah. Okay, and how difficult is it to get the materials to do this work?
Now it's not difficult because we bring everything, use the container, and now it's easy for another client.
Yeah, and which countries is the materials coming from?
From Poland.
Oh, so everything is
everything from Poland.
Okay.
Now we supply paint every time. You can buy anytime.
All right. You supply paint as well?
Yes.
Okay.
We supply.
And you do renovations only?
Yes.
Do you do construction?
Yes, we do.
So you can do construction from the ground up?
Yes, exactly. We can build from the ground to the roof.
Okay. And
finish the inside as well. Because there is big gap between the normal paint and wallpaper.
Okay, so you feel the gap between concrete and normal wallpaper. So what you're doing here is more durable than wallpaper? Yeah,
that one is the first. If you're using the wallpaper, always see the gap. After the few years, you see the line, the wallpaper move up. But paint is from the corner to the corner, all the same. You can wash. And
so you can wash these walls?
Yes.
And it won't come off?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. And what is your company called?
Yeah, company is Get Hill Enterprise.
Get Hill Enterprises, eh?
Yes.
Get Hill Enterprises. So there you have it, guys. We can't do a long interview, as you would imagine, but this is Czarek, guys. If you've got any building job, any renovation job you want done, he will be able to do it for you. If you want to get to him, get to me. His number is in the description box below, guys. But yeah, he left Poland, came all the way to Zimbabwe to do this very beautiful thing, guys. Just take a look at how these apartments are looking, guys. All right, thank you so much, Czarek. Thank you for being on the channel.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
As I think this is very unique. I've never seen anything like this before. If you want to be trained to do this, if you're a painter and you want to be trained to do this, Czarek can also train you to paint apartments like this, and he can also supply the paint and the materials you use. But yeah, drop a comment, guys. What do you think of this Airbnb? This is an Airbnb. It's got solar, it's got pressured water. You will never use a bucket when you live in this Airbnb, guys. So if you want to book it, and it's not expensive, by the way, 4 people can sleep here, probably around $80 somewhere there. You know, prices change all the time, but I'll leave the details to the Airbnb in the description below, guys. The other thing I didn't talk about in this Airbnb is the gas. Just take a look at the gas burners, guys. Comes with gas burners, so it's energy efficient. Gas burners, microwave over there. It comes with some dishes, right? So you already have your cutlery and your crockery. It comes with a lot of cupboard space. Can you demonstrate what this is, Czarek? That's an extractor fan. That is an extractor fan. Takes away all the heat and smell from what you're cooking, keeping your apartment smelling fresh, guys. So today I discovered something very interesting, guys. This apartment no longer needs curtains in the bathroom. There are blinds on the outside, so I'll put a video and I'll show you the blinds on the outside, which you can roll down from the inside. And what these blinds do is in winter they keep the apartment warm, and in summer they keep the apartment cool. Very interesting technology. I think it's a first in Zimbabwe, guys. If you want more information on that, again, the details of the contractor are in the description below. But guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mr. Zim. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.